student, here is a video on extracting metal in the middle of the activity series. Metal that lie in the middle of activity series like zinc, iron, lead and copper are moderately reactive. These metals are found in sulfide and carbonate form in nature. And first, the metal sulfide or metal carbonate ore is converted into their metal oxide. Ores that is found in the sulfide form is converted into metal oxide by the process of roasting, and metal carbonate is converted into metal oxide by the process of calcination. Then metal oxide are reduced to metal by the process of reduction. First, the metal sulfide or carbonate ore of metal are converted into their oxide form. Because it is easy to obtain a metal from its oxide form as compared to its sulfide and carbonate ore. Roasting, calcination, and reduction. Metal that occur in the form of sulfide ore are roasted means these metal sulfides are heated strongly in excess air. This process is known as roasting. Zinc occur as sulfide and carbonate ores. Sulfide ore of zinc is heated strongly in excess air, and zinc sulfide get converted into zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide gas is produced. Here the sulfide ore get converted into their oxide form. In calcination, carbonate ore of metals are heated strongly in limited air. This process is known as calcination. Zinc carbonate is heated strongly in limited air supply, and zinc carbonate get converted into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide gas is released during this process. Here the carbonate ore of a metal is converted into oxide form. Reduction is done with the help of a reducing agent. Zinc oxide is heated in presence of carbon, and carbon is a strong reducing agent. Zinc oxide is reduced to zinc and carbon monoxide gas is produced during this process. Highly reactive metals like sodium, calcium, aluminium are used as reducing agent. These metals displace metal of lower reactivity from their compound. Extracting metal by displacement. Here is an example of extraction of manganese from manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide is heated with aluminium powder, and manganese dioxide get reduced to manganese and aluminium oxide, and heat is released during this process, and this is highly exothermic reaction, and metal is formed in a molten state. What is thermite reaction? Reaction of ferric oxide with aluminium is known as the thermite reactions. Ferric oxide is heated with aluminium powder, and iron oxide get converted into iron. Here iron oxide get reduced and aluminium oxide, and heat is produced during this process, and so iron is formed in a molten form due to large evolution of heat during this process. Molten iron is used to join railway track and machine parts. Thank you for watching my video.